The Under-19 boys and girls ISA rural area volleyball champions also claimed the All-Island titles as Oracabessa High and Knox College won their respective finals played at the GC Foster College on Tuesday.
Oracabessa High had an intense battle with Wolmer's boys, going neck and neck with the Hero Circle-based institution. However, they can call themselves champions after winning a 5-set thriller. Wolmer's boys took the first set 25-22 before Oracabessa took the second 25-19. Wolmer's boys once again took the lead in 25-28 before Oracabessa leveled proceedings 25-21 to make it 2-2. Oracabessa then took the decisive set 15-12 to emerge winners.
They are young players, so not all the time you're going to have them being consistent or sticking to the game plan that you want. But at the end of the day, they came through. I knew that Mr. Evans is a strategist, and I knew what he was coming with, and I decided to try to mitigate some of those things, and it paid off for us.
Meanwhile, in the girls' equivalent, Knox College came from one set down to defeat Campion College 3-1. Campion took the first set 25-20. However, Knox stopped their class in the next three sets 25-16, 25-12, 25-7. Head coach of Knox College, Colin Rose, said he was confident his team would have been victorious.
From the beginning of the season, I told him that the title is ours, it's just for us to want it and to play for it. And so we did. It's not a matter of tactics, it's just that my girls took a bit longer to get into the game, because they're used to a certain type of game and a certain type of play. So it took them a full set, to gather themselves, and then we won the second, the third, and the fourth set.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
And then staying on the courts, urban area Under-19 champions camp.